Hold on to your seats, crypto fam. We're talking about an absolutely massive price prediction today that could see our beloved XRP, the Standard Custodian, go completely parabolic. We're not just talking a few cents here. We're talking about predictions for $100. This isn't just hopium. This is backed by real, undeniable market data, whale movements, and the most bullish news we've heard in years. Bitcoin just obliterated the $117,000 mark. And now, all eyes are on XRP to be the next sleeping giant to awaken and dominate the charts. Make sure to watch this video entirely until the end, because this could change everything for XRP holders. Welcome back, Gold Rush Crypto Daily. I'm your host, bringing you that high-energy, no-holds-barred crypto analysis you've come to expect. Today, we've got two absolutely fire topics that are going to blow your mind and get you incredibly excited for what's coming next in this bull run. We're diving deep into the monumental movements of the Standard Custodian, XRP, and a game-changing regulatory play by Ripple that could unleash a tidal wave of institutional capital. You do not want to miss a single second of this. Let's start with this interesting article from Brave New Coin, titled, XRP Price Prediction. Is XRP the next to hit all-time highs in July after Bitcoin's surge? XRP is riding high in the latest crypto market rally, with analysts now predicting a potential breakout to new all-time highs this July. Boom. New all-time highs this July. We've been saying it for months, and now the major publications are catching on. The momentum is undeniable. After a stunning 8% price surge and a 26% weekly gain, market sentiment is heating up around XRP as Bitcoin crosses the $120,000 threshold. 26% weekly gain. That's not just a pump, that's a prelude to the mother of all pumps. Bitcoin clearing $120,000? That's the signal, folks. That's the green light for the altcoin season, and XRP, the Standard Custodian, is leading the charge. XRP is currently trading around $2.80, continuing a multi-day rally that has made it one of the top performers in the altcoin market. As of July 12th, XRP price has posted the highest daily gain and the second highest weekly surge across major cryptocurrencies. Highest daily gain, second highest weekly surge. This isn't small potatoes. This is an absolute powerhouse performance. We are seeing the true strength of the XRP army, and the whales are listening. While short-term resistance remains near $2.83, analysts say the bullish setup is undeniable. The XRP crypto price prediction from market figures such as Pentoshi suggests XRP could soon enter price discovery mode, with an all-time high ADH in sight. Price discovery mode, baby. That's where the magic happens. When XRP breaks free from resistance, there's no telling how high it can go. Pentoshi, a titan in the crypto space, is seeing what we're seeing. An all-time high is in sight. Mark my words. According to TradingView and other charting platforms, XRP's current breakout structure follows a textbook bullish pennant pattern. This structure, combined with increasing volume and strong support around $2.53, suggests that XRP is building toward a sustained move higher. As you can see in this article, the charts are screaming bullish. A textbook bullish pennant, increasing volume, that's the recipe for an absolutely parabolic move. And that $2.53 support level? Rock solid. XRP historically makes two major moves per cycle, first when Bitcoin breaks past previous highs, and again near Bitcoin's cycle peak. Some predictions even point towards $6 as a plausible near-term target if institutional momentum continues. Historically, the Standard Custodian moves in two massive waves. Bitcoin has just shattered previous highs, and now it's XRP's turn to go absolutely parabolic. $6. These are just appetizers, my friends. The main course is coming. A major contributor to this confidence is the Wyckoff accumulation pattern, which XRP has been forming for months. The bullish breakout seen recently is consistent with the markup phase, where assets often move rapidly to new highs. The Wyckoff accumulation pattern. This is huge. This means whales, institutions, the smart money, they've been accumulating XRP for months. And now we are entering the markup phase, the phase where assets explode to new highs. This is not financial advice, but this is a golden opportunity unfolding before our very eyes. Let's take a look at this data here regarding whale activity. On-chain data shows that wallets holding over 1 million XRP now control 47.32 billion tokens, signaling strong confidence among large holders. 47.32 billion tokens in the hands of the whales. That is an absolutely massive vote of confidence. They are buying. They are accumulating. they know what's coming. At the same time, the introduction and growing anticipation of XRP ETFs, as well as Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin surpassing $500 million in market cap, have added new layers of investor interest. XRP ETFs are coming, people. And Ripple's own stablecoin, RLUSD, has already hit $500 million in market cap. This is a massive step towards mainstream adoption and institutional floodgates opening. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse also continues to press for favorable U.S. crypto regulation. His recent testimony in Congress helped improve sentiment, especially in light of the XRP lawsuit potentially drawing to a close. Brad Garlinghouse, the man, the myth, the legend, is pushing for clarity, and it's working. The SEC lawsuit is nearing its end, and when that dark cloud is completely lifted, we are going to see an explosion of institutional money pouring into XRP. This is a sleeping giant about to roar. One notable analysis from X-Force Global using Elliott wave theory suggests that XRP is preparing for a powerful Wave 3 expansion, often the most explosive phase in 5-wave structures. A powerful Wave 3 expansion. For those who know Elliott wave, Wave 3 is the most explosive phase. This is where the truly mind-blowing gains happen. According to this model, XRP price prediction 2025 could fall between $5 and $9, with $20 or more considered possible by early 2026 if macro conditions align and adoption accelerates. $5 to $9 in 2025. $20 or more by early 2026. This isn't just bullish. This is beyond bullish. We're talking 16 times to 60 times gains. Do you understand the sheer magnitude of that? Despite the bullish forecast, investors are advised to be on the lookout for crucial levels of support and resistance. Unless XRP is able to break through $2.83, a healthy correction to $2.60 or even $1.90 is likely to be observed. The RSI level of 80 also shows that the asset is short-term overbought. Listen, we always keep it real here at Gold Rush Crypto Daily. Short-term, there might be some wiggles. $2.83 is a key level to watch. But these are just minor speed bumps on the road to financial freedom. The RSI is high because XRP is on fire. XRP is forming a weekly bull flag, signaling bullish consolidation that could lead to a breakout toward new yearly highs. However, if XRP manages to sustain over $2.83 or regain $3 with volume confirmation, then the chances of achieving back to 2018 8H at $3.84 and continuing higher to $4, $6 become a much bigger proposition. A weekly bull flag. That's a powerful bullish signal. If we break $3 with conviction, that 2018 all-time high of $3.84 is history. And then it's on to $4, $6, and beyond. Mark my words. Now, let's connect this to another absolutely groundbreaking piece of news. Let's take a look at this article from Bitcoin.com News, titled, Ripple National Trust Bank Targets Fed Access. Is RLUSD about to go full scale? A major leap toward regulated crypto banking is underway as Ripple seeks a national trust bank charter to elevate stablecoin credibility and custody standards. Regulated crypto banking. This is exactly what the big institutions are waiting for. Ripple, the powerhouse behind XRP, is paving the way for massive adoption. Ripple is advancing its regulatory ambitions with an application to establish Ripple National Trust Bank. Seeking a National Trust Bank charter under Control Number 2025 Charter 342,347. Look at this data here. Ripple is applying for a National Trust Bank charter with the OCC. This is not some small-time play. This is a direct move into the heart of the traditional financial system. Federally supervised. This adds layers of trust and legitimacy that were previously unimaginable for crypto. According to the application, Ripple is requesting trust powers, which would enable the bank to offer digital asset custody and fiduciary services under direct federal supervision. Digital asset custody and fiduciary services under direct federal supervision. This is huge for institutional money. This is exactly what those big players, those whales, have been waiting for. Ripple is pursuing a dual licensing model for its stablecoin, RLUSD, RLUSD, combining state oversight by the New York Department of Financial Services, NYDFS, with potential federal regulation through the OCC. A dual licensing model for RLUSD, state and federal oversight. This is a new benchmark for trust in the stablecoin market, as Brad Garlinghouse himself said. This means unparalleled security and compliance, which is a magnet for institutional capital. Ripple's subsidiary, Standard Custody and Trust Company, has also applied for a Federal Reserve Master Account. This access would allow us to hold RLUSD reserves directly with the Fed and provide an additional layer of security to future-proof trust in RLUSD. A Federal Reserve Master Account. Ripple is pulling all the strings to integrate RLUSD directly with the Fed. This is massive, my friends. Holding RLUSD reserves directly with the Fed? That's the ultimate trust signal. This isn't just about a stable coin. This is about cementing Ripple's, and by extension XRP's, place at the very core of the global financial system. My confident prediction for XRP, the Standard Custodian, is that we are not just going to touch new all-time highs this July. We are going to blast past them. We are talking $5, $6, and I truly believe that the groundwork is being laid for XRP to hit $10, $20, and yes, even $100 in this cycle. This isn't financial advice, but the stars are aligning for a historic run for XRP. If you're as bullish on XRP as I am, smash that like button right now. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Gold Rush Crypto Daily and turn on those notification bells so you never miss out on these crucial updates. Share this video with every single crypto investor you know, because this information is absolutely vital.